Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll be demonstrating how to create a realistic deepfake video call on your mobile device. Many people are searching for methods to achieve this without using a computer, so I'll show you how in this tutorial. First off, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more great content like this. I'll also be sharing tutorials on video calls, voice modulation, and more, so stay tuned by subscribing. To begin, head to your App Store and download the app. You can find the app link in the description or simply search for Expression in the store. Once downloaded, open the app and grant the necessary permissions. You'll see a selection of default images you can use, or you can import photos from your phone or search for celebrities like Donald Trump. After importing your desired photo, wait for the app to process it. Note that you'll need two phones for this process. One will be used to create the video call, while the other records the screen to capture the fake call. Feel free to explore different functionalities like facial expressions and movements. Ensure your surroundings are well lit for better results. The app is free to use, but there are paid versions available for more features. If you have any questions or need further explanations, drop them in the comments section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.